Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off Quick Add on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat. And now, click on your profile photo at the upper left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you want to scroll down until you see the See Me in Quick Add. Okay? So now just go ahead and turn this off so that other people won't see you on their Quick Add. Okay, so now you want to scroll up until you see the Additional Services section. So just go ahead and click on Contacts. Now, you want to click on Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat. Now click on Confirm. By selecting Confirm, you will delete all contacts and no longer sync contacts with your Snapchat. Click on Confirm. Okay, so that should remove Quick Add on your Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.